Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Okay, quick video. I have done some nail art here. Very simple, very easy. Predominantly using Magpie Beauty. All the gel polish is Magpie Beauty. There's a little bit of Dixie plate stamping in here, and everything else, the glitter, the stars, and most of the foil is Magpie. So I'm going to not talk. I'm going to put everything in the description bar, instructions on the screen, and I'll meet you back at the end.
Don't need a bunch of red parcels with ribbons. All I want is a shoulder that's tried and true. I don't need jewelry with stones that glisten. No, I want is a mistletoe and you.
There's one thing that I've been longing for all year. Something special that I've been looking forward to. Let's start a fire, snuggle up real close, my dear.
That's all I want, just a mistletoe and you. I'm as bad as the next girl with trinkets and things. Seldom worry about cost or price.
I got every gadget a man can want in this world. So here we are, underneath the Christmas star, just me. Christmas Eve is fine here,
and all else fade away and disappear.
on
This night, there's only one thing left to do. Snuggle up by the fire with a mistletoe. Mistletoe and you, a mistletoe and you.
Then you know it's Christmas when the snow starts to fall. Then you know it's Christmas for the children above all. Then you know it's Christmas 'cause Santa's on his way. We'll stand under the mistletoe, and then it's Christmas Day. The joyful times we witness forever stays with us. Soon Rudolph hears his whistle, and and gathers all his friends. When Santa and his missus wraps the final gift, you know it's time for Christmas for each and every one. Then you know it's Christmas.
Okay, I hope they were helpful. I know they're super simple, super easy. I just wanted to give you some really quick tutorials that you could do without having to think too much. If you've got clients that want last minute nail ideas, so easy to create. Christmas foils are always brilliant for something where you haven't got much time but you want lots of colour. The stars over the red look fantastic. It is super easy to do the baubles. You can actually load them up a little bit more than I have. You can put builder gel on them and make them really 3D. And yeah, a few crystals here, a few stars there. Everything looks really festive. So I'm going to leave it there, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thumbs up if you like the video. Any comments and questions, pop them in the comments box. I'll get back to you. As I said, I'll link everything I've used in the description bar below. And please subscribe, guys. I really appreciate your support. Catch you in the next one. Bye.
Snow starts to fall.